Hi, I'm Dave Carter with Felicity Bradshaw. We're at Marybrook farming some Border Leicester crosses for fat lambs, as well as vineyard on our patch. Southwest is a great area to be. Day-to-day farming, I like decision making and problem solving and the inventing that goes with it. And so we're looking forward to tightening up our sheep farming, both for animal welfare reasons and for economics. Matcher grazing's been great. Introduced to it through some soil testing and the Catchment Council, but there's a lot of great brains out there that can answer questions, as well as going through the set content of the program. It's been really evidence-based, and I think the core principles of farming for the species of grass that's in the ground and for the climate that's above and around us all the time first, and matching our practices to that is a real nugget of wisdom that's taken a long time for us to realise. So yeah, I'm looking forward to making some changes. Today's session has been good. It's been good to get some practical advice about what to do with setting a rotational grazing program and what to do when things get in the way of that program, facing up to supplementary feeding or taking a patch out of the rotation.